Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something super fun. We are going to swatch the Mars 3 matte lipstick boxes. They have 6 shades. I'm going to swatch 3 of them. The Plums, the Reds and Maroons and the Peaches and Nudes. Next, I'll be sharing how each shade feels on my lips. See how each shade looks with makeup and without makeup. And you can decide whether it's worth your money. So if you have been eyeing this lipstick box, watch till the end for my final verdict. So let's start with the Reds and Maroons. Next we'll swatch the Plums. Then we have the Peaches and Nudes. Here's my final take. The Mars 3 matte box is certainly worth your money. It has a variety of shades. The shades are versatile as well. Each box has a different category of shade. Whether it's plums, it's red, it's nudes. If you like to have all of them, you can do that. If you want only a certain box, you can actually choose just one box and it can be used for everyday wear, for parties, and also for evenings. So if you're someone who just wants one signature lipstick color, then obviously you might not need the entire box. The formula is pretty comfortable as well, and at the price point it's affordable and it's really value for money. I will also leave the buying link in the description so you can check out the Mars matte box for yourself. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite shade. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more makeup and skincare videos, and share this video with your lipstick obsessed friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.